Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm giving you something a bit different, something called my eye. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint. And I really hope that it gives us everything that we need and we deserve in this life, okay? Let's get straight into the video. So let's start off with the packaging itself. So it actually comes in a cute little pack here. If I just read the packaging, it says light to medium coverage for all skin tones, like in between a moisturizing tint and like medium coverage. It also has the number at the top of the complexion. I actually got it in the color 19. Now, I don't know yet how it's gonna look, but I've kind of struggled and I just thought I would do a video for other people who have kind of my skin complexion so that you can see what it would look like on yours. So as for the packaging, it is in this gorgeous teardrop shaped packaging. Just twist it off. Just before I actually do this, I'm just gonna prep my skin and then I will come back and I will just do a quick little swatch. Okay, that is somewhat done. I'm just going to try a little bit on my chest to see kind of like what complexion it gives me. I guess I would rather the foundation be darker than lighter because then obviously you can like make it work. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can really see, but this is kind of the colour. Okay, so this is darker than my actual chest. So this actually could work. I mean, it blends in well. I'm going to try it out on my face now. You're supposed to apply it with your fingers. We'll see. You have to shake it well as well before you use it. I actually forgot to mention that. So this is what it looks like on my skin. And you know what? That could work. There we are. Let me actually add some from here to here. Tiny little bit at the top. A little bit at the bottom. So you can actually see now a little bit better. It does look like it's going to be a match, which I'm really happy about. So I'm just going to massage that in basically like a cream, like a moisturizing tint. It's pretty easy to put in. I feel like I'm so not used to doing this. It just doesn't feel right, but we'll make it work. They say that's the best way to apply it, so I feel like because I left it on my face for quite a while, it's obviously harder to like maneuver. It feels really creamy. It feels quite velvety as well. I'll be honest, I'm not a fan of doing it with my fingers. I don't like it. It's not for me. It doesn't feel right, and I won't be doing that again. I'm telling you that for free. I mean, it is a good match, to be fair. I do really like the way it looks though. And I like the way it sits on my face. Like, it doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. Like, it's not kind of sliding off. It is definitely a medium coverage. I'm going to add a little bit more, but I am going to use a brush this time. If I literally just added a little bit of concealer and some baking powder, I'd be good to go. Sorry, just a quick side note, this is probably the best match. Literally, I'm in love with it. I'm really happy with that. Now I'm just going to add all the other components, give you a little time lapse of the situation, and I will come back with the final finished look. Contouring for me is literally the best bit. Literally when the makeup just comes together. I love it. Just sprayed my sponge a little bit with some setting spray. If you guys have any good setting sprays for me, let me know, please. Time for foundation lines, so sorry, but no. For like a soft neutral glam. I just really want to see how everything just ties in together. I'm here for this. I love the final look. I'm absolutely in love with it. This has to be one of my faves. As you can see, I just look golden. I look my complexion. For me personally, I didn't enjoy the finger method. That was just not for me. I'm absolutely in love with the color. I will obviously do a wear test and see what it looks like after about 4 hours. I feel like after like 4-ish hours, for me personally, that's when you can really see the real foundation quality. Okay, so it has been 39, about 4 hours. Despite my oiliness, there's like a slight oiliness, but it's not that bad. It kind of reacts the same as all the other foundations that I've tried in the past. It's not that bad. The T-zone area, these bits here, they're looking a little bit oily. I haven't blotted, I haven't like applied any more powder or anything like that. And to be honest, it doesn't look dreadful. It doesn't look dreadful. I feel like if I was to just add a little bit of powder, I would be absolutely fine. All I'm going to say is foundation is foundation. I've yet to come across a foundation that has like really long wear. I would definitely get it in terms of the colour match and how it looks straight away afterwards, but then again I don't really branch out all that much. So if you do have a more long lasting foundation, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know if you enjoyed this kind of video. Let me know if you'd like to see any other reviews, any other different types of videos. As always, thank you so much for watching. Like the video if you enjoy it, it helps other people see my videos. And of course darlings, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a video from yours truly. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.